Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days. It's Tutorial Tuesday and I have another project for you today. Today we're making these carrot bookmarks. It's another quick and easy project, perfect for Easter, spring, kids or adults. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And check out the blog at debsdays.com to find even more sewing and crafting projects. All right, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies, for this project you will need a piece of backing fabric measuring 3 inches by 7 inches, a piece of orange felt measuring 3 inches by 7 inches, 2 pieces of green fabric measuring 3 inches by 3 inches, a piece of green felt measuring 3 inches by 3 inches, a variety of orange scraps measuring 1 to 2 inches wide, a pair of pinking shears if you have them, and the carrot template downloaded from debsdays.com. I've added a link in the description below this video where you can find the template and these measurements for the supply list. If you'd rather have the written version of these instructions, I have it available in my Etsy store. I also have that in a link down below in the description. Let's take our backing fabric with the right side facing down, wrong side facing up, and on top of that, place the piece of orange felt. And then we're going to work with our strips. Take one of your orange strips and place it along the bottom edge with the right side of the fabric facing up. At your sewing machine, stitch 1/4 inch away from the edge to secure it down. Take another orange strip and place it with the right side facing down. Stitch another 1/4 inch away from the edge. Use your fingers to press it open. And grab another strip. And again, stitch 1/4 inch from the edge. Finger press it, and grab another strip. And continue working your way up until you get to the end of the orange felt. When you're finished, flip the piece over, and we're going to use that to help us trim the scraggly edges off. Place your carrot template in the middle and pin it down. And grab your pinking shears, and we're going to cut out around the carrot. Grab your piece of green felt. We need to trim off about 1/4 inch off of one side. With your green fabric with the right side facing down, place your green felt on top. We want the no felt space at the bottom. Then place your other piece of green fabric on top with the right side facing up. Place your carrot top template on the green fabric with the bottom of the template along the bottom edge of the fabric. Pin it and cut it. Place the carrot tops inside of the carrot. Stitch all the way around the carrot, about 1/4 inch from the edge. Make sure to catch the carrot top piece so it stays tucked inside. When that's been stitched all the way around, then it's time to stitch the carrot top piece together. Again, about 1/4 inch from the edge. And just like that, in a few minutes you have a new carrot bookmark. A nice little gift for someone else or for yourself for your springtime reading. Remember, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And check out the blog at debsdays.com for even more sewing and crafting projects. See you next week with another project.